Hello friends. So recently the LG of Delhi actually came out with a notification. What was the notification? It essentially said that every police station will be demarcated as a video conferencing center. Any cross-examination with the lawyer has to do for the policeman actually would happen online, and the police officer can depose from the police station itself. The lawyers went against it. The strike went on for a few days. The Home Ministry got involved. There was discussion. Nothing came out of it. We are going back to strike again. The question is, why are the lawyers striking? Why is it so important? But let me explain to you in simpler terms. When you're cross-examining a person, when they are sitting on that chair, you are having a face-to-face and a personal connection. You are grilling that person right there with all those questions, and they have to answer right there. And that answer is being recorded. When you are behind a camera, it is way easier to have a script, to have evidences handed over to you, to say, well, the internet connection is not working. Maybe someone asked a very important question and they say, oh, the net went away. Have you heard the server is not running? Or there are some other issues? That happens a lot of times. We are trying to save that. What essentially we're trying to say is it has been the core principle of the rule of law that a person who is against the accused should be cross-examined, or for that matter, any other person should be cross-examined face to face, person to person. When you're grilling and looking into the eyes of the person sitting on that chair and asking a particular question, that is when the crux, the answer comes out. For that, it is always required that the person who has to be cross-examined is sitting on that chair and the lawyer is standing right there asking all the questions within the courtroom. And that's where the proper cross-examination actually happens. That is the major reason why we're having this right. I don't think any of my lawyer friends and my colleagues actually does not want to work. Everyone wants to work. Everyone wants to earn money like you do, like any other businessman does. We don't strike so that we can create a bottleneck in the legal system. We're actually striking because there is an issue at hand here. And that is the major reason all of this is happening. I hope that there would be clear heads later on, and then everyone's going to sort it out, and then we can get back to the system and move on. Thank you very much. And keep watching for